Before you ever apply for a mortgage, you want your credit profile to look safe and predictable. Not just a decent score, an approval-friendly profile. These are the three things that move the needle the most. Payment history, credit utilization, and avoiding new credit moves while cleaning up your report. What's good? It's your favorite businessman, CEO Rico, on Urban CEO Network, where we discuss real plays, real lessons, and real conversations. Make sure you lock in, subscribe, and drop a comment. Now let's jump into today's video. Fix number one is payment history. Late payments, derogatory remarks, they hit your score the hardest because they signal risk. Now, if you got any recent lates, past due accounts, collections, charge-offs, this is where you want to start. The goal is super simple. Stop the bleeding and rebuild consistency. Guys, it's super big. And I want you to think about it like this. If somebody came to you, borrowed money, and then let's say somebody went to your cousin, and let's say they paid you back. They went to your cousin, they went to your mom. They paid your cousin half the money back, and then they didn't pay you none of the money back. And then let's say they came back around to you and said, hey, let me borrow some money from you. And you know that they did not pay your mom back, and they only pay half of what they paid your cousin. So technically, what do they have? They got a past due account, right? Because it's a recent late, right? They got a collection because with moms, they ain't paid. Are you going to let them borrow money? Chances are no, right? So something that you want to keep in mind when thinking about this whole process. Now, what to do? Now, here's the move. Get every account that's past due, get them current. Then set up auto pay for minimum payments so you don't get surprised by another late payment. The mortgage process is not the time to be trying to remember due dates. Consistency is what wins here. Another big thing too is when you get to this stage and you get serious about this, you also just want to stay on top of everything anyway. You should not be getting 30-day lates because there's no way that you should be getting a bill in the mail, or we in 2026, you should not be getting bills by email, anything like that, and you don't know the due dates. You should be putting them in your calendar. You should have some type of application to where it's letting you know this due date is coming up, this account is coming, get this thing done. So you want to be serious when it comes to this.